Hi there, welcome to the review of the so-called Switch Strike keyboard, or STK for short. This Frankenstein board has all the major 5 cherry key switches on it. They are arranged in columns for this particular sync list item. You can hear the different switches clicking and clacking. The first one is red. This is the first column. There's also another column here. Red is a linear switch, so there's no bump and no click, and they feel lighter than the cherry black. Next one is the cherry brown. Cherry brown has no click, but it has a little bump when pressing. And these keys are all cherry brown. Cherry black, linear key, no bump when pressing and also no click. Black, this one and this one here, all black. White or clear, it's not the white, this is called the cherry clear. It has only a little bump and no click, but it feels heavier than the browns. Also here, this is all cherry clear. The rest of all the keys, with an exception of the numpad, but the rest of all the keys are cherry blue. So you can hear it clicking. Cherry blue is a clicky tactile switch, so there's a little bump when pressing, and there's a little click when you press it. So, well, that's all I can tell about this Frankenstein board. I hope you like it.